A day with my family in Europe. My name is Daniel. I live in a small town in France. I live with my parents, my older sister, and my grandmother. Our house is white with blue windows, and it has a small garden in the front. In spring, the garden is full of colorful flowers, and it looks very beautiful. My father is a baker. Every morning, he wakes up at 5 o'clock and goes to his bakery. He makes fresh bread, croissants, and cakes. People from the town love his bakery. In the afternoon, he comes home and sometimes brings us sweet pastries. He also tells us about the customers he met during the day. My mother is a music teacher. She teaches piano at the local school. She loves music and plays very well. At home, she cooks delicious meals like pasta, soup, and roasted chicken. She also takes care of our house and plants flowers in the garden. In summer, she grows tomatoes and strawberries. My sister's name is Emma. She is 16 years old. She goes to high school and studies art. She likes painting and photography. On weekends, she rides her bicycle to the countryside to take pictures of nature. Sometimes she helps my mother in the kitchen or sets the table for dinner. My grandmother is 70 years old. She loves knitting and reading books. In the afternoon, she sits by the fireplace with a cup of tea and tells us stories from her youth. She also teaches us French history and old songs. She has a gentle voice that makes her stories more interesting. In the evening, when my father returns from the bakery and my mother finishes her music lessons, we all sit together in the living room. We drink hot chocolate and talk about our day. Sometimes we watch a movie, and sometimes we play board games like Monopoly. My father is very funny and makes us laugh with his jokes. On Sundays, we often visit the local market. We buy fresh vegetables, cheese, and bread. After shopping, we go to the park for a picnic. We sit under a big tree, eat sandwiches, and enjoy the sunny weather. My sister takes photos, and I play football with my father. At night, we have dinner together. After dinner, my father reads the newspaper. My mother plays soft music on the piano, and my sister and I do our homework. Before sleeping, we say goodnight to each other. I feel lucky to have my family. Our home is warm, happy, and full of love. It is the best place in the world for me.